welcome back to my channel. So I hope everyone's doing well. So today's video is going to be a quick wash day using the new products from Lottabody, and this is their line with milk and honey. So there's 5 products in the line, but I only got 4. So I purchased the Restore Me Cream Shampoo, the Restore Me Cream Conditioner, the Nourish Me Leave-In Conditioner, and the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. And yeah, so all of these products are really affordable. I think they were about $4 each. I'll put a link to where I purchased it below, and I think shipping to the UK brought it up to about $7–8 each, which is still really affordable. That's about £6. Normally products in the UK, Lottabody products in the UK are about £4 anyway, so it's not too big of a jump in pricing. So yeah, really excited to use these. All of these products have no sulfates, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no paraffin, no petroleum, and no formaldehyde. But as I'm using each product, I'll put a list of the ingredients on the screen so you can see what's in them. I've only tried one Lottabody product so far, which I think is a curl defining cream, something like that. It's a cream. I used that when I was transitioning. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave that in the link above. Yeah, if you want to see how the products work, keep on watching. Okay, so starting off on a wet hair, I'm gonna go in with the Restore Me Cream Shampoo. And this is supposed to remove product buildup, restore moisture, and make hair soft and manageable. It says for natural hair, doesn't contain any sulfates, no mineral oils, phthalates, paraffin, petroleum, and formaldehyde. And yeah, so this shampoo lathers really nicely. It's a really creamy shampoo, and it definitely does restore moisture and makes your hair soft and manageable. I really like that about the shampoo. See, the only thing is, I felt that the shampoo didn't clean my hair as well as I would have liked. My hair looked clean, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, that I just couldn't shake the feeling that my hair wasn't completely clean as I'm used to. Yeah, other shampoos do a much better job of cleaning my hair, but as for the moisture aspect of the shampoo, 10 out of 10. It's really moisturizing. Which I really liked. I did go in with a second wash, so yeah, I'm not too sure why I didn't feel like my hair was clean, but you know, I made sure to apply it to the scalp as well. So I don't know, maybe it's a user error thing, I don't know, but I just didn't feel like this was that cleansing. Definitely moisturizing though. It's more of it reminds me of a co-wash more than a shampoo. I know it lathers, but it's just the feel and how my hair felt afterwards definitely felt more like a co-wash. So would I purchase the shampoo again? Probably not, just because it's not as cleansing. But if you definitely need moisture in your hair and you don't want to strip your hair, then I would definitely recommend the shampoo. And it also has quite good slip. I'm able to detangle my hair, as you can see. Yeah, I was just testing whether I'd be able to separate my hair without any knots or tangles, and that's pretty good. So yeah, this is what my hair's looking afterwards, and when I rinsed it out, I really liked it because of the moisturizing aspect. But you know, moving on to the conditioner, yeah, this is the Restore Me Cream Conditioner, which is supposed to deeply moisturize and make hair soft and manageable again, for natural hair and no sulfates. So it says after using the shampoo, apply a generous amount of conditioner through the hair from ends to roots. Rinse thoroughly after 3 minutes. Or for deep conditioning, cover hair with a plastic cap and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. And then rinse thoroughly with cool water. I'll leave the ingredients again in the description box below, so check that out. I didn't like this. I didn't like it at all. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't know, it was hard to get out of the bottle, first of all. And then second of all, I felt like it gave the illusion of being thick. So when I put it in my hair, it felt like it kind of melted and kind of turned foamy. I don't know if you can see, but when I combed through it with my tangle teaser, it's very foamy. And then I had myself second guessing, did I rinse all the shampoo out? But I'm pretty sure I did, so I don't know why it did that. Yeah, so it was very like foamy, so it was like putting mousse into my hair to deep condition, and it was just very light, and I didn't think that it would work. I didn't like the way it felt on my hair, and I didn't have high hopes for this actually. So yeah, as you can see here, it's like I've put mousse in my hair, which I didn't really get. So I thought, you know, let me give this the benefit of the doubt and see how it works. But yeah, you'll see how my hair turned out. It was dry. My curls were defined, but that was only because I think I detangled with this. Yeah, so you know, a benefit is it's got quite good slip. The slip is alright. So if you want to detangle with this, yeah, sure, you could go ahead and detangle with it, but it definitely didn't moisturize my hair whatsoever. This is how my hair is looking. It probably looks pretty good on camera, but yeah, I just didn't like the way it felt on my hair. So this is how my hair looked like when I applied the conditioner to all of my hair. And again, you know, my curls are fine, but again, I put that down to the fact that I've detangled it. Yeah, it's very, 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 very light once you've detangled. And this is my hair. As you can see, I'm not happy. I'm not a happy girl. My hair was dry. It was dry. It lacks luster. It just looked, I don't know, it felt like straw, if I'm being honest. So I decided to then go in with my favorite deep conditioner and do a good deep conditioner routine, and this is the result of that. So I'm not sure if you can tell the difference, but I definitely can. My hair is a lot more shiny, a lot more defined, a lot more soft, a lot more moisturized, and as you can see here, look at that shine, look at the shine, look at the definition. This is how I love my hair to be after a deep condition. So at this point I had very low hopes, but I went in with the leave-in conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner is quite thick actually. It says it's supposed to lock in moisture, it's continuous intense hydration, and it detangles and adds shine. Yeah, so it just says the directions. It says to work an ample amount through damp or dry hair, working from ends to roots and style as desired. So yeah, I use this in conjunction with the refined Mica defining mousse, which is supposed to give a medium hold for soft curls, defined curls, and adds body and shine. Now, it didn't do that. It didn't do that at all. I didn't get any of that. But yeah. But first of all, the leave-in. The leave-in is okay. It's alright. It's decent. Would I repurchase it again? Probably not. I have better leave-ins. But it does detangle, and it does add a little bit of shine. And I did feel like it was hydrating. So if anything, you know, if you're gonna get anything, I'd probably get the leave-in. It was pretty decent. So I'm going to go in with the mousse and see if I can get these curls to be defined. And the mousse directions say to apply to damp or dry hair from ends to root for definition, allow hair to air dry or diffuse. And product can also be used to roller set, flexi rod set, or twist out. Yeah, you guys can see my hair. There's no definition whatsoever, and I was really disappointed with this because I'm not sure if you've watched my last video, but I showed you guys how to define your curls using mousse, and that worked really well for me. That was the mousse from Mica Organics. So yeah, I thought I would be able to do a really nice wash and go with this as well, and it just didn't work out. It smells nice though. All the lines, like all the products in the line, smells really nice, but that's about it. It does give good slip, but that's not what it's for. So yeah, I tried to do another section just to see if my looser curls would be defined by the mousse, and yeah, nah, it didn't work either. Maybe I didn't add enough, but I thought I did. As you can see, my hair is pretty saturated with both leave-in conditioner and mousse, so there's no definition there. And yeah, you can see my face. Didn't really know what to do, and you know what, I actually rinsed it out. Yeah, so I rinsed out everything and started again. So yeah, I've excluded the mousse, so I'm gonna go back in with the leave-in conditioner because that was okay. So I'm just gonna do a really simple, true wash and go. I literally applied a liquid leave-in, then the Nourish Me leave-in conditioner, and then I added an oil on top. And I did that in very, very large sections because at this point I was just over this whole wash day. Like, nothing was working out, and yeah, I was tired. So that's what I did. This is what my hair looks like. Yeah, I was just really, really disappointed with this line. I thought it was going to be something amazing. But yeah, this is the result. This is how my hair is looking. It's okay, it's just okay. And yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the link below. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video, to be honest. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll catch you in my next video.